Hello everyone. So in today's session we are trying to understand what is psychology. So there are 3 points in today's session we are going to discuss. First is background of definition of psychology. Second is we will understand definitions of the psychology and various types of psychological branches. So let's try to understand little bit background of definition of psychology. The term of psychology originate from two Greek words. First is psyche, it means that spirit or soul, and logo means to study or rational course of study. So if you are combining these two words, so together they convey the idea of a rational study of a soul, right? So initially psychology was defined as the study of soul or spirit. However, the philosophical and other inclusive natures of the soul become apparent. Like for example, leading to difficulties to understand and studying it. So it's really difficult. How we can define that we are studying a soul or spirit? So then Greek philosophers they realize that it will be difficult for them to make understand others how they are going to study the soul. And then finally they decided to revise this definition of psychology. So according to old discipline, psychology was a study of soul and mind. Like for example, psychology, psyche means mind plus logo means study. And now, according to modern discipline, psychology is the scientific study of mental processes, experiences, and behavior. So means here they have considered as a mental processes and also experiences, right? And also human behavior. So we are trying to understand in next session what are the mental processes, experiences. So all these points we will definitely discuss in the next video. So now I hope you have understand what is the background of definition of psychology. So next point is definitions. Let's try to understand what exactly the definitions are. So now psychology is the scientific study of the mind and behavior compassing with conscious and unconscious processes in human and non-human animals. So it explores mental state, processes and various form of behavior also. Okay, so second definition is psychology is the study of mind and brain and how they relate to thoughts, feelings, behavior in the human and animals. It aims to explain how the mind works and how actions related to thoughts. So, and the last one, American Psychological Association. So they say psychology is the study of mind and behavior according to them. It is the study of the mind, how it works and how it affects behavior. So if you summarize the things, so overall psychology is a scientific study. Okay, scientific study of human mind, their behavior, their feelings, their thoughts. So all these components, all these aspects is considered in a definition of psychology. Okay, so now third point is there are various type of psychological branches. So in this video, very briefly we'll try to understand all the branches and in detail we will definitely discuss in our further videos. So there are so many branches like for example cognitive psychology. So in that cognitive psychology studies mental processes like attention, memory, perception and problem solving. Comparative psychology studies animal behavior. Developmental psychology here studies human growth and development, overall the lifespan, including cognitive abilities, morality, social functioning, and identity. Fourth one is educational psychology. Educational psychology is the study of how people learn and retain information, particularly in educational setting. Fifth is industrial or organizational psychology. Nowadays, it is a very famous area. So here, the study of applications of psychological concept and practical knowledge in organizational and workplace setup. Okay. Now, Sixth one is clinical psychology. Most of the people are aware about the clinical psychology domain. So here studies a wide range of mental and physical health problems, including addiction, anxiety, depression, learning difficulties, and relationship issues. There are so many psychological issues. Uh, uh, all these areas will be covered in a clinical psychology area. So forensic psychology. So forensic psychology is like psychological research and principle in the legal and criminal justice systems. Social psychology. So social psychology studies how social influences impact human behavior, including group behavior, social perception, non-verbal behavior, aggression, and leadership. So all these components we can study in a social psychology subject. Sports psychology now. So psychological factors influences sports, athletics performance, exercise, and physical activities. So all these things can be studied in a sports psychology. Health psychology. Nowadays health psychology is like uh, getting a too much attention actually. It studies of psychological and behavioral processes in health, illnesses, and healthcare. And the last but not the least, positive psychology. So positive psychology is the study of like this domain is always focuses on life's positive qualities. So how to live happy life, well-being, satisfaction, healthy lifestyle. So target is how we can live our day-to-day life in a healthy manner. So a lots of so other domains are also there. So I tried to cover here 11 to 12 domains in this session. So next session we will definitely try to understand more about psychology, their mental processes and all. So I hope that in this video you got the idea about what is psychology, what is the background of psychology definition, what are the psychology definitions are, and various types of psychological branches. So thank you so much for joining this video. In next video we will definitely go into deep about the psychology. Thank you so much.